Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Christy's Craft Corner. So today I'm going to show you, I did a couple of 66 Skylark stalker cars. A couple weeks ago, me and Chris took our niece to Sycamore, I think it's a clay track, and me and her were kind of antagonizing him and asking like, oh, well, if you were driving, what kind of car would you do? So I listened to his ideas and I replicated what he would do for a race car in miniature scale, to kind of bring it to life for him. And then my niece had the idea of doing my version of one. So you guys are about to see his and hers race cars. See the differences, the similarities. I tried to make them a little similar so you could kind of tell that they were his and hers, but you can definitely tell the difference. His, I'll tell you later, is a little more like rough and ready. Mine is a little more not put together, but like definitely can kind of tell it's a girlier car. Has a little more safety features because I tried to do it like if it was our real cars. He would just be boom out there on the course, whereas for me, he would want me to have those safety features and make sure that I wouldn't get hurt. So you guys are gonna see a little glimpse into if we shrunk ourselves down and put ourselves in a little race car, what it would look like. So hope you guys like it, and yeah, that's gonna be cool. All right, everybody, so here it is. I did the two 66 Buick Skylarks from AMT, his and hers. So here up first is Chris's. So I did different decals I stole from Chris's stash. This was originally a 6, and I cut off some pieces to make it an 8 because all of his racing cars are always 81. Put in a couple of little decals in there for Valvoline, 66, getting your kicks. Of course, you know, he's my hubby, had to do little daddy action right there. He always said that if he had a stock car or a dirt track car, that he would always do it primer. It's his favorite colors, primer and rust. And the racing stripes and the numbers would be in duct tape. So I used decals to simulate the duct tape. You know, it's not fully true, but I am his wife, so I had to go with, you know, first love for the license plate. Did a little detailing with, you know, it was just in a race, had some mud thrown up there. It was a tight race, so he's got some tire action going. And of course, everything for him always has to have that American flag. You gotta love it. God bless America. And I did mess up a little bit. The tires, I didn't think to mess with them and to get them all scratched up until after they were already put on. And they are so flimsy. Like, I'll pick them up just a little bit and they drag down because me being me, I of course lost the metal axles, so thankfully Chris had some plastic ones, and when trying to put them together, broke one in half, had to glue it back together, so that was a whole lot of fun. Take a quick look under the hood here, and I detailed the engine with some red to match the interior. All of Chris's fans are always yellow, and he's going to kill me for not remembering what type of battery that is, but all of his batteries are always, you know, white with the green top. The interior is one of his favorite colors, red, and I detailed the seat a little bit. See if we can get that better in here. So it looks like it was, you know, race use. It's a little worn. The padding on the on the bars have some duct tape, like they've been used and worn. His metal brace goes off to the side a little bit. So that one is his. Pretty basic. This was the first one I did, so few errors going on. You'll see in a minute. Mine looks a little bit better, not gonna lie. So that's his. Pretty cool looking. And here is mine. So mine I had a little more creative fun with. My favorite color is orange, so I had to go with orange on the outside. 93 for me. I was able to detail the tires like I was just in a race. You know, got that weathered look on it. Our niece, when she was doing her car up, everyone had to have a Piranha, so mine has a Piranha. And yes, it is from the Christine kit, but Christy is short for Christine, so I had to go, you know, she's a killer. Had to. That's me. License plate Too Fast. Because, you know, if I'm going to be on the racetrack, I'm going to tear it up. To match his, we both had the American flag. Mine, I had a little fun with some flame detailing. Had to have the little lookout here for you see it in your rear view mirror. Mine, I'll be honest, I forgot to put the windshield in, but Chris had some old netting things, so I glued that in as my windshield. I liked it better over the whole screen rather than just mine, because I did both of our cars as if they were, you know, kind of true, and we were actually going to race them. So his is a little more rough and ready, rough and tumble, kind of like him, whereas mine is a little more polished, and mine has most of the safety features like the front bumper brace, the driver's side brace, and the back brace, because I figured if I'm going to be racing, he's going to want me well protected. And so then to go along with it, of course with the netting you can't really see it, but my center brace is full on centered. Mine also has the quote-unquote duct tape on the padding, and my interior is worn silver, so it looks more like steel, more, you know, just wanted to get it up there to race. Also detailed my seat to look a little worn. On both cars the buckles are detailed. And I wanted to have a little fun, so mine has the black racing stripes to match his, and to go along with Daddy. Daddy had to have his, you know, baby girl. The engine parts are pretty much the same. I detailed my engine with a goldish to kind of match some of the interior, the buckles, and the horn on the steering wheel. Otherwise, same color fan, same battery, pretty standard. It was a really great kit, came together pretty easily. My only complaint with it was, I don't know if anyone else has ever tried to build this and had this issue. It was supposed to have a stick shift. Mine had the plate that it goes into, but it didn't have the actual stick itself. So it's not true form, but it's not like that's a part you're really ever going to see. These are definitely going to get cased somehow, whether just next to each other or together, and be put on a shelf. You know, cute little matching set going on right there. So his and hers stalkers. Let me know what you think. We will always reply back to comments. So comments, like, subscribe if you're already subscribed. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Stay tuned. I will be having new videos up every Thursday, just about every Thursday. School is starting to come back in session, so I will try my hardest. But every Thursday night, get ready to see more of what I have in store. Awesome. Wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, hope it's good. See y'all later.